Cessna 172 Bravo Sierra Victor in the southern run-up bay. Received Sierra for a local flight to the south, runway 13 right. Request taxi clearance.
Bravo Sierra Victor, taxi holding point, Alpha 213 right.
Alpha 213 right, Bravo Sierra Victor. Moorabbin Tower, Bravo Sierra Victor, ready Alpha 2 for runway 13 right for a local flight to the south.
Bravo Sierra Victor Tower, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, Bravo Sierra Victor. Everything locked up?
Yeah, everything's good.
There's my runway.
Beautiful.
Liner up, feet off the brakes, go full power. Airspeed's alive. All temperatures and pressures are in the green. 50, 55,
Helicopter, Hotel Yankee Delta.
60, and up we go.
Where's your circuits received information, Sierra?
Helicopter, Hotel Yankee Delta Tower from the southern pad, clear for takeoff, make right turn.
Clear for takeoff and making right turn, Hotel Yankee Delta.
Middle station, this wind is quite variable now. We're getting 4 different indications from 3 different windsogs. Anywhere up to 3 or 4 knots of downwind at times.
Copy, Hotel Yankee Delta.
Uniform Foxtrot Sierra, 13 right, clear to land.
13 right, clear to land, Uniform Foxtrot Sierra.
You do the whole minus 40 degrees thing?
I haven't actually done any of the theory. I just try to get it so that I don't lose revs and I get it to a maximum temperature.
Yeah, if we try it now, it'll probably cut out before we do anything because it's so low. But what we do, if you don't mind me,
Correct.
so we go lean assist. Yep. We actually go back until you'll see a blue line on the very top of it.
Okay.
That means that's the hottest cylinder at the time. Yep. And then once that's peaked, you roll it in until that reaches minus 40. And at minus 40, that's going to get the best revs for the actual thing.
Okay.
So you'll see a blue cap on the top of it. It's useful stuff to use.
Well, I've climbed 300 feet. You haven't landed down there at all?
I'll Tyabb.
Yeah, it's good. It's nice and long. It's pretty skinny.
November's passing through 1,600 on climb to 5,000.
By November, approach guys, no reported traffic.
Right for November.
When we go down to Moorabbin, we'll do any of the airports, but it's just Tyabb that. Next flight I'll come through there.
Yep. Well, with Tyabb, all of the circuits are this side.
Okay.
So if we were going to come in on 17, we'd have to join downwind about level with those tanks on the point.
Yep.
We could do a missed approach on the way back, if you like.
Okay. Beautiful.
So, okay, well, what we'll do is we'll go down to the point of French Island.
Yep.
And then we'll start a descent to get back onto downwind for 17, and we won't actually touch down.
Yeah.
We're going to be 10 miles out anyway.
India Golf to Zero, that's just a few descent.
India Golf, thank you.
Stations about Melbourne information Tango now, Karen. So the change is temperature 26 and the QNH 1016, Melbourne Tango.
It's nice, it gives me a curve to join.
Yeah. You can see the track diamond says we're tracking off that way.
Yep.
So I think it might be a bit of a blast.
Tyabb traffic, Cessna 172 Bravo Sierra Victor turning base runway 17 for a missed approach, Tyabb. We can straighten up.
Yeah.
Okay, going around.
So it's a direct crosswind.
Tyabb traffic, Bravo Sierra Victor going around, runway 17, Tyabb. Tower, Cessna 172, Bravo Sierra Victor at Karen 1500 inbound with Sierra.
Bravo Sierra Victor Tower, join downwind for 13 right. Report at 3 miles.
13 right, Bravo Sierra Victor. Bravo Sierra Victor is at 3 miles.
Bravo Sierra Victor, follow the Cessna that is on short final traffic in your 12 o'clock, looks to be left of your nose now, the caravan on climb to the south, and there is a Cessna on upwind who will be turning to the south shortly.
The caravan sighted, joining downwind now, and traffic noted. Bravo Sierra Victor.
Bravo Sierra Victor. Look, on the ground here, we're indicating a southeasterly straight down the runway. We might experience some downwind on final. Clear to land.
Clear to land, thanks for the wind. Bravo Sierra Victor.
Also, Station Tango is now current wind between 050 and 130 degrees up to 12 knots. It's crosswind up to a maximum of 10 knots, an occasional downwind maximum 3 knots. QNH 101, hold it open on Tango.
Depending, you just want me to close it up?
Julie Whiskey Romeo,
I just want that.
Bound,
right.
Helicopter inbound. First one probably 11 o'clock high, and looks to be another one inbound, not yet called at Carrum.
Moorabbin Tower, lifesaver 37 is the traffic at Carrum, not above 500 coastal from Melbourne with Tango.
37 Tower, thanks, coastal northbound, not above 500. There is an airship on the coast tracking southbound, not at 500.
Northbound coastal.
I landed on the right runway.
Yeah. Nice.
Lifesaver 37.
Sierra
Victor, cross 17 left and right, and runway 22, taxi apron.
Cross 17 left, right, and 22 on Bravo to the apron, Bravo Sierra Victor. Bad luck?
Yeah.
Oh well, burns off a bit more of your fuel.
Yeah.
102, receiving information Tango 4 circuits, request airways, start clearance.
Maybe I can ask for Alpha 4.
Yep.
Where is it? It's up just up here. Moorabbin ground, this is Bravo Sierra Victor requesting Alpha 4 to the apron.
Bravo Sierra Victor, yeah, that's your choice on that one on this runway. That's why we don't give you the taxiway Bravo in the first instance. You can take whatever taxiway you like, in fact.
Okay, thanks. I'm closer to Alpha 4, so I'll take that, thanks.
Understood.